Hi everybody, Karen here. I want to talk to you about my best resolution for 2015. Well, I've told a few people what my resolution is and they think I'm crazy and funny and I've lost it somehow. Let me tell you what it is, and I'm going to prove it this year that I'm going to do it via my online business. This year, 2015, I'm going on semi-retirement. Believe it or not, I'll be 44 this year. And I'm going to go on semi-retirement. How? With my online business. I'm going to do it semi-time. My time. It's time for me now. I believe I've traveled quite a hard gravel road during my life and I want to change everything. And I'm busy changing it. And yes, it does work. There is a way. Have a look at my links and who knows, maybe you're also looking for something like that. Between us, a mere 5 years ago, I was declared bankrupt. Think about it. Have a look at my link, karenfourie.com. Thank you very much. Bye.